Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and getting the interpreter app. Check iPad OS and free space so installations don't fail. This matters for packages and caches. Next, pick an app Pythonista for integrated tools, Pydo for pip support, Carnets for a local Jupyter-like server, because each handles files differently. Once chosen, sign into the App Store, download the app, and accept permissions. This gets you the runtime and file access you need to run and save scripts. Once the app is installed, set up your project environment so you can code reliably. Create a working folder in Files or within the app. Organizing files avoids path confusion. Then install libraries. Use the app's package manager or pip equivalent to add NumPy, requests, or others you need. This ensures scripts run as expected. Also connect iCloud Drive or Git for syncing and backups so you won't lose work. This step prevents future file headaches and enables version control. To finish, run and test a simple script to confirm everything works. Print a few values and import installed modules to validate the environment. If a package fails to import, check compatibility with your app and iPad OS, reinstall or use pre-built wheels. Some modules with C extensions won't work. Once done, save your project and sync. If problems persist, restart the app or device, recheck permissions, and review error logs to pinpoint the cause. This usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.